In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an item on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you're cleaning out your closet or looking to refresh your style by selling some of your pre-loved designer items, Vestiaire Collective offers a straightforward way to connect with fashion enthusiasts all around the globe. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure your item gets the attention it deserves. First, you'll want to start by searching for Vestiaire Collective in your web browser. Once you've entered the name in the search bar, select the first result that appears. This should take you to the homepage of Vestiaire Collective, where the magic of fashion reselling happens. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In option. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the web page. Click on it, and if you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, a process that's usually quick and easy, involving just a few steps. After successfully logging in, navigate to the option that says Sell an Item. This will direct you to the selling interface, where you'll be asked about the type of item you're planning to sell. Consider whether it's clothing, accessories, or maybe even shoes. Click on the type that matches your item. Next, you'll be prompted to select a specific category. This helps potential buyers find your item more easily. Choose a category that best describes your item, ensuring that you're as accurate as possible. When prompted, you'll need to choose or type in the brand name of your item. Vestiaire Collective has a wide variety of brands within their platform, and providing the correct brand name will help attract buyers who are specifically searching for items of that brand. After you've entered the brand, click on Continue to progress to the next step. You'll now be required to input the item details like its condition, size, and any unique features it might have. The more detailed you are, the better. Including high-quality photos is crucial for attracting buyers, so don't skip this step. Make sure your photos are clear and well lit, showing off all angles of the item. Next, move on to writing a compelling description. Highlight any noteworthy features and be sure to include the measurements if applicable. The description helps buyers imagine how the item could fit into their wardrobe. Subsequently, you will add your address to ensure any inquiries made by Vestiaire staff or in case the platform needs to reach out to you. Lastly, you'll want to set a price for your item. Take into consideration its condition, brand, and the current market rate for similar items to ensure you're setting a competitive yet fair price. Once you've confirmed all the details, submit your listing for review. With these steps completed, you're now on your way to selling on Vestiaire Collective.